Hello everyone, we doing today Napier Taupo Road. Yeah, let's go.
You know, the wind blowing cymbals and that.
Yeah,
It's still on the Hawke's side of the taupo. Great particular planes might be a bit windy, but shit, you got to learn to ride in all sorts of conditions.
I'm taking it easy anyway. I've got a new front tyre, so
Yep.
Oh, new front tire.
yeah, I've got the same as the back now. So.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Nice to have a match.
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, I'm not in any hurry.
I'm still breaking it, but I can go 120.
You missed them right now. I've got summer gloves on, and I'm riding with no knee grips or anything.
These aren't
It must be good gloves, huh?
You know, like you used to be able to pull up and park in front of all the shops down there. I don't know if you can now.
I know these cabs and all that there.
Eh?
I've parked in a few of the cabs over there before, so I think it's still
Always like them steak and chips though.
one place that's
I will have my Indian.
Oh, there's some good Indians around there, right?
I'm vegetarian, so no good.
I think I went to Indian Affair.
Indian affair.
I think it's Indian Affair.
Where?
In Taupo. They do a good curry there.
Oh, yeah.
You'll have like a paneer or something.
Yeah. You know the name.
Closed.
one driver in there.
This will make you break the trip.
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. Just need to put a helmet so it's just.
Yeah.
Not like no restaurant cafe at the moment, is
Nah.
Oh, that's the flash of
So that'll be the one that you sold.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Got me a GoPro. Tikka masala, please, medium, with a cheese and garlic naan, and a Coca-Cola. It's so good. Yeah. So annoying to me when you don't like them.
That's where you go the other way.
Yeah, thanks for organising the ride, mate.
Well, I mean,
So guys, that was amazing Napier Taupo ride. So this is the end. Really enjoyed it. Really enjoyed the food. Really enjoyed the coffee. We were really comfortable. we wanted to just get a motel and stay there, pretty relaxed. But on the way back, the wind was okay. It was from the behind. But on the way to Taupo, there was like quite a lot of wind blowing towards us and shaking us. But it was fun. It was refreshing. I can say refreshing the word for it. Thanks. See you in next vlog. Bye bye.